Hi guys, ang atong video karon kay moadto mi sa daplin sa dagat. Mulaag lang mi, dili mi maligo. No ng dagat.
So it's just a question of finding a place.
Farm Road.
No.
Tim, you wanna vote fish, Tim?
You'll see, yeah. No, actually, don't worry, see. You'll see it's fine.
Look, you know, how often do we come here? You get what you want. Hi.
Hi.
Sweetheart.
I think I know what I'm gonna get. I have one herring, please. Yeah, and then one mix. Yeah, that's it. What else? What do you want?
Cafe and fish there.
It's up to you. That was only I want. Anyway.
Right. Oh no. Darling, what you doing?
Yeah.
Just put it here. Perfect. Off your legs.
No, it's not. Say hi, Tim. Nami sa daplin sa dagat. Kitsi mo tidak kami. Nami sa daplin sa dagat. Ngatugnaw kay nga dagat. Oh, dagan kayo. Onya. Fish by the sea.
Fish. In the sea.
Yeah, fish in the sea.
Fish out of the sea.
Tim. Ito ba? May sweet na.
No, it's not.
Yes. Okay. Si Martin naglingkod. Lubog pa jud ang tubig, oh. This is the beach in England and people is wearing coat because it's so cold and the water is cold. Ang dagat kay lagom ang kulor. Nay gwapo, oh. Oh. Ingani ka kuan ang beach sa England dire, oh. Don't through lagi. Mga balay diha. Dili siya sandy, batuhon pero nindot siya ko ano. Hinlo.